friends, I am Niharika and welcome back. Well, we are gonna look at some phrases to compliment men. Let's make them feel special, let's flatter them. So how do you do that in English? Well, we have some phrases here. Now, this lesson is divided into three categories that men love to be complimented for. So the very first category that we are gonna look at is compliments that show that your man is a superhero. Now here, when I say that your man is a superhero, what exactly does it mean? Now, superhero? Is he a Spider-Man? Is he a Batman? No, well, here I'm talking about men who are great with their abilities to do anything and everything. So, in order to appreciate or in order to compliment their skills, we have some phrases for you that you can use. The very first one is, I love how driven you are. So if you think that your man is very focused in whatever he does, then this is a perfect phrase to compliment that. Now, for example, if you think that your man is doing great in his career, he is very focused, he's able to achieve all the goals that he had set for himself, and you really love that. So you can say that, you know what, I love how driven you are. So this is a big compliment for him. So use it if you think that your man is hardworking. The second compliment that you can use to compliment his skills is you are amazing at whatever you do. So here when you use this expression, it means that your man has the ability to do anything and everything. You know, that's how men are. At times, women fall a little weak in doing certain things. But guess what? We have the support of men. Men are great when they get into doing a lot of things. So we need to appreciate that. We need to compliment them. How do you do that? You can use this expression that you are amazing at whatever you do. The third one is, you can fix anything. Yes, that's true. Men really have that skill to fix anything. Be it your water tap, be it your lamp, or be it your car. They are great. So do appreciate that, do compliment them because they totally deserve it. So you can say that you can fix anything. Wow. So if you requested your man or any man in general to do something for you or to fix something for you and they did it. So it's time to thank them and compliment them for the same. Say, you can fix anything. Wow, you are amazing. Okay, so that's how you will compliment. Now, the second category that I have for you is compliments that show that you love being with this person or that shows that you enjoy a man's company. Now, if you like being around someone and you would like to compliment them about this, these are certain phrases that you can use. The very first phrase that I have for you is, you make me laugh like no other. Yes, humor plays a big role in our lives. Someone who can make you laugh, that's just amazing. Because a smile or laugh really creates that magic in your life. So if you know someone, if your man or men in general really make you laugh and you really enjoy being with them, then compliment them by saying, you know what, You make me laugh like no other. Now that would really make him feel good. The second phrase that you can use to express that you enjoy being around them is, I can't help but blush around you. Now, there are men who make women feel very special. Yes, if you have that man who makes you feel special, compliment him. Say that I can't help but blush around you. So blush means that you're always smiling and you have that spark in you when you are with this person. So use this expression to compliment him. The third expression that I have for you is, you are the funniest guy I know. Now again, this is also related to someone who is very witty or very funny or hilarious. So it's time to compliment that. The reason, because there are very few people who can make you laugh. There are very few people who can crack jokes and, create that magic in your life. So if you know someone, if your man does make you laugh and you think he's extremely hilarious, then use this expression by saying, you are the funniest guy I know. And trust me, he would really like to listen to this compliment from you. So use these expressions to compliment men. I have another category for you, so let's have a look. Now here are some phrases that you can use to compliment their physical appearance. Now it's not just women who love to be complimented about their looks and their dressing sense, but it's also men who love to be complimented for the same. So how do you do that? Well, let's have a look at the 4 phrases. The very first one, you can use it in a very romantic way. That you are irresistible. So irresistible, well, it's an adjective which actually means that this guy is really hot, okay, or his looks are just amazing that you find him irresistible. So in order to describe your man as very good looking and very hot, there are various other adjectives that you can use. So this is one of the best adjectives that I picked. So you can compliment them by saying you are irresistible. Okay, so use it in a very romantic way. Use it for your man, for your boyfriend or your husband, okay? Another phrase that I have for you is, your style is impeccable. Now, we all think that it's only women who pay attention to the way they dress up. But guess what? Men also love to dress up. They love to wear nice shirts or nice bright colors, and they really take time for themselves to be well groomed and to look good with the way they dress up. So to appreciate that, to compliment them, you can say that your style is impeccable. So if you think that you know a guy whose style is just amazing, you think that he dresses up really well, then say that your style is impeccable. Again, the word impeccable is an adjective. There are many more adjectives that you can use to describe this man's style, okay? The third phrase that I have for you is, have you been working out? You noticed, yay! That's what men think when a woman comes up to them and says that, hey, have you been working out? So it means that you actually notice their muscles. The muscles look great. So it means that yes, maybe they are hitting the gym and they are working out and their physical appearance is absolutely great and you like it. Like women like that. So if you do like it, then say, have you been working out? Okay, that would really make him feel good. So use this expression to compliment him. And then the last one that I have for you is, you smell good. Now you smell good. Now, there are various colognes and deodorants and perfumes that we have for men. And trust me, that smells really great. So there are men who love to smell good, okay, so especially when they pass by and you think that this man smells really great, so it's time to compliment him. Wow, you smell good. Now that would also really be liked by that man. So if you think so that yes, this man smells really nice, then please do compliment him for the same. Men love women who compliment them, so do it for them, and I'll be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, you take care.